Hey, hi everyone. So हमारे पास UGC नेट की फाइनल आंसर की आ रखी है. So how to check that, right? So go on to Google and use your UGC net login. So this is your first website. So don't go there. Go here. This is the login and registration account. And here you will get your if you have the password, you will be having the password and your application number. And after that you have to just fill your characters. So it's A4F 568 for me, I think so. And then login. And yeah, I was logged into on other account, so I have to forget that first. So let's try again. So it's 0, yeah, I think so. SP, let's check one more time. What is this?
1740 SP.
Okay, so it's correct. Okay, so we got on this, and here is the final answer key. Click on that, and yeah, so they are saying please try again. So I think multiple people are trying to log in right now, so that's why it's a kind of busy website for now. So you can just come here, check again and again, go to again, and you will be getting your final answer key right here. And the best way to check that, right, so how to check that, you have to just manually find that all this thing, or you can do that just like click here, and you will getting all the details about your answer key, then all copy that again. After copying, you should have your PDF, the answer sheet. So answer sheet PDF. So go to any AI model and post your answer key as well as your question paper answer sheet you have downloaded as a PDF. So after posting that, you can just ask AI that how many are correct and how many are wrong, and they will give you the estimate. And it probably 100% correct, not 100% but 99% will be accurate. And after that you can just check yourself after that. And if you don't want to check manually, you can just check by AI, but make sure that you check yourself one time, at least one time you should check yourself. Yeah, you can try AI, no problem, but you should check once time, right? So that's how you can see your final answer key. Let me try again, and yeah, it's try again. So it's kind of busy. So if UGC net, sorry, okay, so UGC net, go to a website. So they already have posted that you can just display the final answer key UGC net registration REG. And this is the information about that they have released that. And you can just log in and click on to verify, and you will getting your answer sheet, right? Oh, answer sheet, answer key. So yeah, that's it. So check your answer key as soon as possible.